Up for sale is a Kubota ZD1211. It's got a 60-inch deck. This mower is the same as new. It never mowed a blade of grass. The paint's still on the blades. 24.8 Kubota diesel engine. It's just so under the emissions threshold, so it's totally emissions free. Premium mower, premium seat. It's got the padded armrests. It's got adjustable suspension. You can move the seat front and back. It's got lumbar support and reclining. Dual fuel tanks. It's got a fuel gauge right there in the dash. Right now it's showing 0.6 hours, so it doesn't even have 1 hour on it.